G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Community Collab preview. Now before we start, please watch this video to the very end for all the features and information regarding the site and the forums. I strongly advise, as it is very complex, you may not understand from a certain point without a pinpoint direction. If you watch a certain part of the video and not watch all of it or in between, you may be confused. It is very complex, very detailed. Alright, let's begin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to our website and Community Collab. So these sections will be broken down to why we've done it, or the reason being of creating the community and the forums. The second thing will be the features, sort of giving you an insight and detailed view and audio on basically what everything's going to be involved from the site and the forums onwards. And the third thing we'll be discussing is the future. Community Collab has three main base sections. Our first section is Community Collab, which is a collaboration between multiple communities and people through their social media networks. Our second section is Squad Group, who I've partnered with Odell from Orion Gaming and Anthony from Large Lad Gaming, who have brought two twin communities together for gaming in general and collaborations. This is a website in progress that showcases the ability to collaborate with other gamers from across the world with their own personalized biographies. Unique profiles showcasing a biography of who they are, where they are from, their goals and achievements for YouTube, social media such as Twitch, Twitter, and other things like that, with links and examples such as Twitter, YouTube, Skype, Twitch, Facebook, and accessing the forums for a greater spread. Hopefully we can band together with other communities from around the internet, such as Google Plus pages and other gaming forums, to create a generalized database, to showcase our ability to move forward in the gaming community. The reason for this video and the community together with a forum was a lack of realism of collaborating with other members. With problems such as time zones and locations around the world, the first thing people think of when starting YouTube is, well, how do I grow? Where do I start? What are my goals? How do I get here? In fact, it's easier than you think. Collaborating is the quickest and most beneficial way to partner with someone growing together, like a community. Hence, Community Collab and the generalized features of making friends, coming closer, sort of like family, in a way. Connections to multiple Google Plus communities such as Gamers United Network, one that I am faithfully from, and a few other ones around the internet too, such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch as an example for profiles. Each profile will have a respective channel link and a subscribe button for default, with more features being added when needed. As an example here, I'll show you a couple of examples of what the website is about as a start. First thing, as you can see at the moment, we've got different backgrounds and banners and headers and things. What they will showcase is this one, basically just shows you the collab site and to check out the squad. This one has daily uploads, so it'll have, if you click on this, it'll take you to my Twitter page, and if you click on our next one, it'll take you to our YouTube page. At the moment, the links don't work right now, as it's in a beta phase. It's still being worked at the moment, so things are still being well. As a standard issue, every profile will have their unique YouTube link and subscriber button. There is a chat box on every single page as well. Another great feature I've got is a carousel sort of imagery thing. Let me just show you what happens when I click on it, right? Just pick a random page, and then once it loads, voila, it brings you up to another profile of one of our members. What it has here is different things such as a profile about the viewer themselves, the channel trailer or their favorite video, depending on which one they have or don't have, as well as links to their Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube profiles. Once again, as you can see here, at the moment it won't link us straight away since we have to... Yep, that's my bird going crazy in the background, don't worry about that. So if we come back to the main page here and just check out a few more things as well, links will be added on every single page, so there'll be a different member on every page for a new one for you to check out. About us, this is about why I've decided to create this feature with my partners, and just give you a little rundown on my biography, what I do on YouTube and social media and things like that, as well as another subscriber button and my channel trailer as well. So just to show, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Majestic Gaming. All your games, it is active, as you can see here, so cover just about all styles. It's very interactive, so it'll show you different things as well, and also links here that'll show you from different pages. To give you a bit more of an example, I'll show you another members page, more biographies. I think this has to be updated, as I said, it's a work in progress at the moment, and their favorite video or channel link in here, as you can see right here. As standard issue 2, subscriber button as well. Some other members that we have as well, Bugger Chug, another one of my great Aussie mates here in Sydney, Australia, although he's from Queensland, but anyway. And this is his page here. Nice, wonderful and colourful background. Alright, there we go. Let's head back over to the main page. Lo and behold, the website is not only for gamers, but for developers also. We will have allocated sections for upcoming and already released developers who wish to promote their work on our site and forums, allowing for gameplay when requiring feedback, improvement, constructive criticism, the ability to reach a wider audience with let's plays, generalized gameplay, bug reports, things like that, and access to future endeavors. To clarify, we are not a sub for sub community. We do not condone it rather than accepting it. Basically, we want to avoid it altogether. Let me explain why. With sub for sub, it's a one-way ticket, right? First of all, sub for sub is like having an ad on Craigslist. You buy, sell an item, and then zero contact afterwards. If you have a YouTube channel, your goal is to strive and achieve in growing, right? Sub for sub only promotes a one-way ticket to Neverland, basically. What I'm trying to say is a YouTube channel should only be subscribed if you enjoy that channel's content. When you sub for sub, you're only trying to get a sub. But honestly, it's more important of having a string of views and balanced subscribers, as this can help the issue of ghost subscribers. The website and forums are still in the works at the moment, so I thought I'd give you a preview of what the site is about, the features, all the bells and whistles, so to speak. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay tuned as more updates will be around shortly, as will the release. We hope to see you soon. Majestic.
Thank you.